Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do it, swipe out the screen and open calendar application. In it, we can change view for a month to be easily to add, and tap on day when we want add our event, maybe 30th of July. Tap on plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add event to your group on Gmail. In this part you can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on repeat of that if we need it maybe every week. We can add this event to people calendar. In this part, we can make video conference when event start. We can add location of our event, notification to date. There we can set color of our notification, description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't all everything, press save, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.